Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 5 that is based on the topic the description of a good boy, chapter number 18. Okay, it is a poem. Okay, so open your book, go to page number 97. Have you opened it? Okay, go to page number 97. Unit number 18, the description of a good boy. Put your finger on the first line that start from the boy that is good. Does learn his book well, and if he can't read, will strive for to spell. His school he does love, and when he is there for play and for toys, no time can he spare. His mind is full bent on what he is taught. He sits in the school as one full of thought, thought not as a mope who quakes out of fear the whip or the rod should fall on his head, but like a good lad who aims to be wise, he thinks on his book and not on his toys. His aim is to learn, his task is his play, and when he has learned, he smiles and looks gay. This is the poem of the poet Henry Dixon. Okay, who has written this poem? Henry Dixon. This is the reading of your chapter, your poem. Okay, you have learned the description of a good boy. Now, moving to the next page, that is page number 98. What you have to do, you have to open your notebook. Ready? Notebook page. Okay. Have you opened it? Ready your notebook page. Put date, day, classwork at the top of at the middle of top line, and then draw margin line. Write your first question, that is exercise A. Write down true qualities of a good student as mentioned in the poem. You have to write the topic. Write down true qualities of a good student as mentioned in the poem. A good boy always does learn his book well and respect other. Number B exercises, pick out rhyming words from the poem. Well, spell, there, spare, taught, thought, wise, toys, play, gay. These are the rhyming words that you have to learn. Okay. Now open your book. Go to page number 98. Here is an exercise C. It says, complete the following sentences using a suitable word from the list. So what are the words given over here? Interest, books, happy, studies, mope, lad, vibe, strive. A dash is a person who is sad and listless. Mope. 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 Bent means have an aptitude and dash. Lad. 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 Struggle is another word for dash. Strive. 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 Gay is the last stanza. In the last stanza means dash. Happy. 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 Another word for boy is strive. 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 Number 6 is a good boy think more of his dash than toys. Book. 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 A good boy gives full attention to his dash. Studies. 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 He doesn't fear dash or rod. Whip. Whip. Whip or rod. This exercise you have to solve on your book, okay? Now again open your notebook, ready your page, write topic, the description of a good boy, activity, word sentences. Make sentences of the following word: strive, spear, bent, wise, rod. You have to make the sentences of the word strive, spear, bent, wise, rod. After making sentences, you have to write central idea of the poem that is given on the book page 98. Central idea means the main point of view of the poet on which he writes his poetry. Okay? So what is the central idea of the poem? The description of a good boy. A good boy always does his best to do well in studies. He fully concentrates on what is taught in school. He thinks more of his book than of toys. He learns and plays at the same time. When he is successful, he is happy. Okay, student? Exercise D and E, exercise A, B, D, and E. All these 4 exercises you have to do on your notebook very neatly and very nicely. Okay? Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.